Okay. Howdy everybody. My name is Josiah Carroll, and this is the circulatory system of a turtle. The circulatory system of a reptile or turtle is closed, just like a mammalian circulatory system. Turtles have a double circulatory system. However, the heart is not always divided into separate pumps, and turtles' the ventricular septum is incomplete, and the pulmonary artery is furnished with a sphincter muscle. This makes it possible for a second blood flow path if needed. At times, the sphincter muscle may cause the blood to flow from the capillaries to the heart, and then right back to the capillaries again if needed. This type of system is beneficial to cold-blooded organisms such as turtles because it aids in the regulation of their body temperature. Turtles have three-chambered hearts. Three-chambered hearts have two upper atria. A three-chambered heart has one large ventricle. This ventricle is somewhat separated by an incomplete septum, which helps to minimize the mixing of deoxygenated and oxygenated blood. To begin the circulatory process, deoxygenated blood flows into the right atrium of the heart. The right atrium contracts and pushes the blood into the ventricle. Then the ventricle forces the blood into the lungs, where carbon dioxide is filtered out and oxygen is picked up. The oxygenated blood goes into the left atrium. The left atrium then contracts, which pushes the blood into the ventricle. The ventricle sends the oxygenated blood away from the heart via arteries to the organs and tissues of the turtle. After the oxygenated blood is passed to the organs, it makes its way back to the heart, where the process begins again. Turtle systemic view. In reptiles, birds, and mammals, the lung is the only organ where the blood is reoxygenized. Turtles have a partially divided heart. It has two atria and one ventricle. Turtle heart detail. The turtle heart has creases and depressions in the ventricular chamber that function as conduits to keep oxygenated and deoxygenated from combining. The flow of deoxygenated blood is directed to the pulmonary arteries. And that is the circulatory system of the turtle. Cut. We can do a